Good morning, class 7 student. This is your math workbook. Now we start chapter 15, visualizing solid shape. First we know about some important fact of this chapter. First is 2D shapes. The 2D shapes are plane figure which has only two dimensions, 2D, namely length and breadth. Suppose it is circle, it is 2D shapes, square, rectangle, these all are 2D shapes. Next is 3D shapes. The 3D shapes are solid shapes which have three dimensions 3D, namely length, breadth and height. So, faces, vertex and edges. The flat surface of a solid shapes are called its face F. Its corner where the face meet are called its vertex V, and the intersection of its two faces is called its edge. So, suppose these are the cube and this is the vertex. So here meet the two edge. Euler formula: the relationship between F, V and E of a solid shape is called Euler's formula. So F plus V minus E is equal to 2. This is Euler formula where F, V, E denote the number of faces, vertex and edge respectively. Net of a 3D solid shapes. A net is a skeleton outline of a 3D solid shape solid that can be folded to make it. The same solid can have several types of net. So we can define the all 3D shapes with the net. So we can make the structure with the these of given net. 2D represent of a 3D, the solid shape can be drawn on a flat surface like paper. Realistically, we call this drawing 2D representation of a 3D solid. So we can draw the 3D shapes on a paper. Paper means 2D sheets. So we can draw the any 3D shapes. Drawing a 3D shape on a flat surface, two types of sketches of a 3D shapes solid on a flat surface are possible. So we can draw the 3D shapes on a paper, two types. So first type an oblique sketch show all the important features of the look of a given solid though it does not have exact or proportional length. So by oblique and isometric. Second is isometric. These are the two methods. Then we can draw solid shapes, 3D shapes. So oblique and isometric. One is dot form, second is graph paper. So an isometric sketch is drawn on isometric dot paper and it show exact measurement of a solid. So it is the correct method. We can draw with the correct measurement with the dot. Use the dot of 3D shapes. Next is visualizing solid shapes is a very useful skill which enables us to see hidden part of the solid shape. Visualizing solid shapes जो solid shapes होती हैं उनकी यूज से हम easily जो hidden part को देख सकते हैं. Suppose we have to draw any solid shape into paper, so we cannot see the proper in between with all the part. But now the look the solid shapes, we can see the all part or hidden part of solid 3D shapes. Viewing solid from different angles, a solid look differently when viewed from different angles. The front view, the side view and the top view can provide a lot of information about the shape. Observe, it is utilized by professionals like architects and engineers while visualizing a building or a machine. So we can see the different angles and different look of solid shape. So when we look the on front way, front view, top view and side view, so these are the three different types of scene. So it is very useful to architect means to make the any building, the draw the any map of 3D building shapes, etc. So it is very useful for engineering and architecture to make to any project any building with the use of solid shapes. So students, these are the some important things of visualizing solid shapes. With the help of these we can solve the worksheet. So in next video we have to solve worksheet 15.1. Thank you.